How did you get this going?
E ngā mana e ngā reo tātou e hui mai nei raro I te karangatanga o ngā kaupapa katoa tēnei hui. Wow, I just mucked that intro up. But all good. E hoa mānau mai, haere mai. Welcome to our... Haere mai, whakatau mai koutou e haere mai tapiti. We are live on Mobile Music's Facebook and YouTube. Unfortunately, we've had some technical difficulties tonight at Huama, so we're not going to be live on Instagram. However, tonight we have a live Q&A with Kaaterama Paul. And Kaaterama, well,
what's up, everyone?
E te hoa koia te kai waiata mo te pōnei ki runga I tō mātou nei whakaturanga e ki ana ko Waiata Nation, 8:30 p.m. Māori television. Gee, I'm getting good at this.
Whoop, whoop.
So, Kaaterama, tēnā koe. Kei te pēhea?
Kei te pai. Yes, kei te ahua mai. I'm pretty nervous to see the final things for the episode.
Koe nei tōpō e hoana reira e tika ana I roto I ngā tikanga Māori kia waiata hia tētahi waiata pea. Hei whakatau I te motu ki roto I tēnei o tāua, o māua. Nā reira, man, doing all the real checks on myself.
Me waiata tahi.
Waiatahi. No, well, the problem of these Zoom things, these live streams, is that we're a little bit delayed. So you got our waiata e hoa. You're our kai waiata tonight.
Okay.
Got us.
Oh my god! Like all the songs I just got out of my head. Oh man. Hu e ora ai te reo, korero hia. Ora ai te reo, waiata hia. Whoa. Me no tahi ai tātou, I raro I ngā wawata, o te reo, Māori e. E haere tahi ana tātou. I te ara o te reo, o maketo. He tua o make tōku. Ei, no te reo. No ku te reo. Te hononga ki o tātou tipuna. Mai moatia. E te iwi e. Oh, bam.
Check.
Man,
on the live stream Q&A with Kaaterama. She's our star on Waiata Nation, 8:30 p.m. Kaaterama, Kaats, aka Kaats. How are you feeling and what? Tonight's your night?
I feel really good. Like, I can't wait to watch it. Yeah, just to see the end result. Can't wait. Can't wait for everyone to hear the waiata too, and see the music video.
So for anyone that doesn't know for everyone who doesn't know who these two people are on your live right now, my name is Nathaniel Howe, aka Natatek. This is our girl. Oh wait, Kaaterama Paul, aka Kaats. Kaats, you want to give our audience, our Q&A, our live streamers, a little bit of a whakamarama who you are and why you're the star of the show?
Oh my god. Kia ora everyone, my name is Kaaterama, aka Kaats. Born and raised up north in Mangakahia, Parako. Born and raised in the Hahi Rātana, Kura Kaupapa, Te Reo Māori. And tonight is the night that you guys will see an insight on how my life is around music. And that's it right there.
Ka pai, so tēnā koe Kaats. If you guys are joining us tonight at 8:30 p.m, you can watch Māori TV's well, it's not even a new show anymore. 8 weeks in, episode 8 of White Nation. Kaaterama
Yes. Oh my
of the
God.
show. She's done a mean job too. Nareda, let's start with your song. What's the name of your song? What's the kaupapa of your song? What's the inspiration behind your song?
Okay, cool. Um, so the song is about a love, my love for Iho Ngamano, and just it's a message just to be like I'm really grateful for all the things that he's done for me with my music career and my family. So that's basically the background of the waiata. I really get inspired with my hahi, so all my waiatas that I've written are about Iho Ngamano and what he's done for me and my whānau.
And so, White Nation was an interesting experience for us all. Everyone's had their own little different perspective on their experience on White Nation and being and moving from a group showcasing your work. So this is nothing new. You've already actually put out a few tracks and music videos. So, how was this experience for you, Ehua?
It was cool, like just seeing everyone grow and be together and just seeing everyone, be happy about their music and their videos, helping each other out. It's been a cool experience for me, anyways, because I haven't seen anyone in the group go out and do their own songs. So this was a cool experience to see how they work and how they write their music and songs.
And what was your sort of mindset heading into White Nation? What was your sort of mindset?
My mindset was pretty. I don't know how to explain it, but I was nervous because starting I didn't even have a song when we went into it. But then after everyone got together, and I was like, oh yeah, I think I got a song. Just whakamaori this, whakamaori that, da 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 da. But your mindset was mean though. Just being around everyone really hypes you up.
But it actually feels like so long ago now. Like we filmed and made a lot of this stuff almost 6 months to a year ago. So thinking back and looking at Kaaterama's progression, you've got an interesting story because you chose a different musical route than everybody else. Like when you created your song, you had your own studio, you had different producers.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
That's a lot of the stuff that kind of missing. A lot of that stuff gets missing among our musical kōrero and among our creative kōrero, particularly with us at Maimo. So, do you want to talk about that direction? You went to a new direction.
Yeah. So I last year with Parachute Music, and they helped writing my music, how to write, to get new ideas, and it was cool to to show everyone what I was up to for that year. Parachute Music, honestly, I know if you ever want to learn how to do music, write music, every year they have enrollment, and only about 5 to 4 people get into this music program, and I recommend it.
Hard. I'll add on to the back of that. Parachute Music, this amazing organization. They're a charitable trust, to my knowledge. So they're a charitable organization, and their sole kaupapa is to help develop young artists. And your song is called E Hoa.
Hey, e hoa. Hey, pity pity.
Hey, pity pity. Oh, wow. So it's got a bit
Oh
of
my
a
God,
dual.
sorry if I know if it's lagging.
What do you reckon? Yeah, it's a bit laggy, but all good. E hoa, has it got two names? Hey, pity pity, or is it just, are we just sticking with the one?
Well, originally I thought it was Hey Pity Pity. Because I didn't want to mix it up with Miriama's waiata, nā reira. But, you know, it can be either. Hey Pity Pity, e hoa. You can pick whatever. Kia ora, everyone that said kia ora on the live comments. Ngā mihi.
Can you see them? Do you want to do some shout outs? Lion Rez is on.
Let's go.
There's lots of
Lion
kia ora.
Rez, oh my God. Kia ora. Yes.
To one Ormsby.
Kia ora Rakai. Kia ora Selwyn. I am a new up-and-coming artist. I have a learning disability as well. I am a singer and songwriter. I'm from Pukekohe. Oh, shout out to you, Selwyn. Ngā mihi.
Oosh, that's a means kōrero. Up-and-coming artist, do you reckon? Kats, you're an artist, or you're an artist? What do you reckon at the moment? Do you reckon you're up and coming artist? Do you reckon you're artist now? How are you feeling about those defining points?
What was that, Nat? Sorry, I lost you.
Do you reckon are you an up and coming artist?
Part.
Have you got me? Am I there? Can you hear me?
Yes, okay, I got you now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was just saying, do you reckon you're up and coming artist now, or you reckon you're quite comfortable, like you're an artist now? How are you sort of feeling about that, those defining points in your career?
I think I definitely still a up and coming artist, emerging artist. Because I haven't really put out any music other than my first EP, and everything else has been with My More, and that's still cool. Oh my God, my thing's lagging. Aroha mai whānau.
You're all right though. Keep going.
Shout out to Awatea Kake. Kia ora, all the way from Parako. Yeah.
Kats, what was your highlight of being on the Waiata Nation experience?
Oh my God. I just literally can't hear you, Nat. Sorry, whānau, I'm out in the wop-wops and our
Oh, whānau, this is a clear sign that we need to get fiber internet in Rotorua. E Huama, if there's anybody in the communities out there looking at the development of the infrastructure of our people, please invest in the internet capabilities of our whānau that don't live in Wellington, Christchurch. Hoia moe, mihi ana kia tātou e hui hui mai nei, because we're having a little bit of technical difficulties, but those technical difficulties could be completely erased if we had fiber internet down in where are you, Kats? Where are you? We're naming and shaming your councils now.
Sorry, whānau. No, I'm actually up north in the wop-wops, where I grew up. So I'm with my whānau here, and yes, the Wi-Fi here is it's average.
Yeah. Oh, good. What was your favorite thing about being on Waiata Nation this season, e hoa?
Oh my God. Oh my God, today was going great.
Okay, well, e hoa ma. as you can tell, Kaaterama's internet is playing up. So we're not even gonna waste all of your guys' time with like playing up internet carts. You owe everybody on this stream $100 there, ho? Nah. Pahoia no e mihi ana ki a koe Kaaterama. Really, all this is about trying to acknowledge you for your mahi and to humanize our work, because sometimes when you put your mahi out on the public scrutiny, you tend to realize that behind the screen are Māori, young Māori trying to do their best in their field. Nā reira, I'm gonna say e hoa, Kaaterama, tonight is your night. E mihi nui ana ki a koe I roto I ngā tuahuatanga o te wā. E hoa mā is premiering on Waiata Nation, 8:30 p.m. Māori television. And if you got nothing to do tonight, go have a mātaki. Kat, I'm going to try this one more time. You got anything last to say to our whānau on the stream?
Just want to say a big shout out to everyone who's supported me and shared the episode. Yeah, shout out to everyone. Sorry for the shitty ass Wi-Fi connection, but you know, peace. Talking. Nah, I didn't hear you. You're on mute.